All right, folks, welcome back. I got a couple updates on the here on the building here, a couple setbacks also, and I'll fill you folks in here. I bought me some liquid rubber, or I say liquid rubber, some rubber. I had 3 coats of it to my floor. Technically 4 coats, but I'll say 3. Of course, you see, I've installed me a little bit of a shelf. I installed it a little high. That way, I figure when I bring the bird out, I won't have to set him down low. And of course, if the scales are already going to be up a little higher too, so it'll be almost chest high. But that's just something I can change if it's not convenient. And I purchased me a drain here and some pipe to go with it. And I was debating to go with anywhere from 2 to 4 inch, and I opted after looking at all the stuff. On washing a bunch of bones and stuff down the drain. And what I'm planning on doing underneath the mews is getting me a 5-gallon bucket, putting a hole inside, putting some drain holes with the drill all around it underneath, and letting whatever goes down the drain filter through there, and then I can take the bucket out and dump it, whatever's in there. You know, whether it be I don't know, dead food particles or waste or whatever. See what else I got here, folks, before we go inside the mews. Given to me, this is a piece of metal that's bent. It's bent in a circle. I'll use that to make my trap. I already got 1 trap made. I'll have 2 traps. This is the other part of that. I gotta hook it to a piece of wood. Make my trap to trap my red tail. What else out here other than it being a mess? Of course, if you're gonna buy something like that, liquid rubber, just give you guys a little review here on that. You're gonna buy some liquid rubber. Make sure you buy a good stir. I wouldn't use a stir stick. I'd buy this, put it on the end of a drill. It took me with this here, folks. It took using it on high. It took me a good 3 to 4 minutes to stir that, and with a stir stick, that would have took me probably 15 minutes to stir that up. And each time I use it, if I let it set at all, every time I use it, and I've used it technically 4 times, because it starts to settle pretty quick. All right, let's take you guys in here and tell you what I'm doing with this. There we go, folks. This is set up now 24 hours after the 3rd coat. I may apply 1 more coat. I mean, why not? But I don't know. It may be good like this. I'll keep the stuff. I got about a half a bucket left. Put it in a gravity sprayer and maybe spray some of the around the windows over here, you know, to make sure I keep that stuff waterproof, because I'm going to have them open. There's going to be some rain coming in during storms and, you know, just regular rainy days. All right, so I've got a pond liner I ordered. The plans right now is to go ahead and drill a hole right there or there. So that's a stud going across there. There, so it can drain. Put me a liner over this. This is basically my last layer, going top to bottom, last layer to keep all the moisture off the wood, off the treated wood, keep it from rotting over time. So what we have right now, we have posts in the ground, right at 4 feet. We have 4x4 runners going across on top of each set of posts, which is 20 posts. And then across that, we have 2x6s for the subfloor, and all that's treated. Then we have treated plywood, and now we have the rubberized coating. And I don't know if you guys are seeing any reviews on this stuff. I thought it was going to be kind of sticky, once it dried. And I would say this probably needs another day to cure. I mean, really to cure. So you can feel the rubber. I mean, you can feel the consistency. It's got a little. All right, so going back, so I'm gonna put the pond liner in here anyway. I was debating on whether to use this instead of using the pond liner, but I have the pond liner. I already ordered it. It was like $70, but why not, right? If I can combat the moisture problem, or if I can combat a moisture problem. So put me a hole here. I'm gonna come in here and throw down the liner. And I've decided I'm gonna, instead of going with dirt, I'm gonna go with, so pebbles down over the liner, spread them out. Or outdoor carpet or some astroturf, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna use this to make my purchase, or wrap my purchase with. And that's $19 a roll for 7 feet. So I'm gonna buy 2 rolls of 7 feet wide, and I will piece it together at the edges. So that's where we're at now. As far as the exterior, Home Depot kind of did a number on me. They sent me the wrong color. Well, I gotta be a little fair. I ordered the wrong color. The color samples weren't accurate, and the color was way off when the original guy here gives a picture. It wasn't an actual sample. So I'm talking about color, I'm talking about my vinyl side on the outside. So once I did find the color that was closest to what I needed, they wanted to charge me $60 per box more, just because of the difference in the color. Not the difference in the material, just the difference in the color. So I had to scrap that, and I just couldn't come off another $60 per box. So I went to Lowe's, ordered a color that was close to what I wanted, and which got it at the price I wanted, a little bit more. Problem with that is now I gotta wait a whole month. It gets here. The upside to that is all right, so right now the plans are, of course, I'm gonna make an L-shaped type perch going to both windows, 2 feet out. Actually gonna set them a little high on the windows, more like that. I know a lot of people set theirs down low. I'm gonna set them a little high so the bird will actually have to be able to look down like they would in the wild. Down and over the fences. I got backed up against 2 privacy fences and into the backyards of the neighbors there. And I'm gonna set this perch here a little higher. These are gonna be a little over 4 feet, probably right at 4.5 feet. And this one here is gonna be a little higher, maybe 5.5 feet. In the corner, so I got to put some more chloroplast there for them to. Also being in somewhere to pull the air up now, best I can. Probably being redundant with some of the stuff. About to start ordering my equipment. My drawers, or go buy me some little bins to put my equipment in. All right, folks, if you have any questions, concerns, or any ideas that may help me, shoot me some feedback, ask me some questions, let me know what you folks think. All right, folks, see you the next time. Later.